Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Marygrace. Today I'm going to show you how you can do 100 squats every morning before noon. I've been doing for 3 weeks now and I have noticed a big difference in my booty. It's not that we need to aspire to have a big, huge bottom, but it would be nice to stay high and perky as we mature. And I'm going to show you how I've been doing it. Those were just some examples of some of the things that I do every day, but you probably do different things, so just incorporate your squats into the things that you do every day. A couple of things you want to keep in mind with your squats. You never want to have your knees go over your toes, so you're always going to want to sit back on your heels and just think about your sits bones while you're sitting back. And you want to keep your abs in always and your chest straight up. You don't want to be squatting down with your back going this way. You want to keep your back straight up. And putting your hands above your head makes it a little bit more challenging, or doing this makes it challenging, or you can use weights, which makes it challenging. You can do wide leg. You can do just with your feet going straight forward. You can do your feet just like a little bit out, but always just make sure your knees are going the same direction as your toes are, because it can be really hard on the knees. For a couple weeks, my knees started to kind of hurt a little bit, and I took a class with Ashley, and she had us put a magic circle in between our knees to do the squats, and it didn't hurt at all. So I think that maybe my knees weren't straight and in line with my toes. So that's really, really important that you do that. And keep your abs in and keep your chest up. And you will have a high, tight booty. Thanks for watching.